Hey guys, today I will tell you how to deposit funds into your Robinhood account.
Start by tapping your profile icon at the bottom right. This is your personal account section. You will see your profile picture, name tag, and total account value, including breakdowns of investment, brokerage holdings, cash, and crypto. Now locate the transfer button, which takes you to the money movement section. Here you have two main options: transfer money to or from your bank account. Enter the amount you wish to deposit, for example, $100. Select your external bank account as the source and your Robinhood brokerage account as the destination. After clicking review, you can set up recurring transfers if desired, weekly, bi weekly, monthly, or quarterly. The standout feature is instant deposit, which lets you access up to $1,000 immediately while the transfer processes in the background. With Robinhood Gold, this increases to $5,000. After confirming the transfer, you'll see deposit initiated and can continue using the funds right away. Important note: while you get instant access, the money is still being pulled from your bank, so ensure sufficient funds are available. This feature works seamlessly for quick investment opportunities.
And that's it guys. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.